everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Tuesday, July 30th, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day and glad you tuned with us for your TF headlines. We'll jump right into it. We start with the County Hwy MM Closure. We want to remind you of this. Starting yesterday, Dane County will be closing County Hwy MM from Hates Road to Goodland Park Road in order to facilitate replacement of storm structure. There will be signs at major intersections letting public know that the road is closed ahead of time. This work is anticipated to last 2 to 3 weeks. A notice will be released once the work has been completed. Please use other routes during this time. There will be other work to be had on this road coming up. We'll get you those as they come. All of this work is to be wrapped up by late October. Absentee voting started today as far as in-person absentee voting. Tuesday, July 30th through Friday, August 2nd, weekdays only, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. You can come down to City Hall, 5520 Lacey Road. And Monday, August 5th through Thursday, August 8th, weekdays only. It'll be 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The last day to vote in-person absentee ballot at the clerk's office is Friday, August 9th. From 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you'd like to request a ballot by mail, you need to do that request through My Vote website. That's myvote.wi.gov. There you can fill out the information you need to get a ballot mailed to you. You can also bring it to the ballot. That's for photo identification. Bringit.wi.gov is a website for what photo ID you need for voting purposes. All this information is online at our website, fitchburgwi.gov, under the elections page, and we'll continue to remind you as absentee in-person voting goes on for the August 13th election. Greenfield Neighborhood Planned Open House is coming up. The public is open a public open house for the Greenfield Neighborhood Plan has been scheduled for 5:30 p.m. on Wednesday, July 31st at the Fitchburg City Hall. This open house will present 2 land use concepts to the public for feedback. More information about the open house will be posted when available. The land use concepts can be viewed at the project page on our website at fitchburgwi.gov. Search Greenfield Neighborhood Plan. A community survey also is out there now live. We'd like to hear your thoughts about the 2 land use plan option as well as housing types that are appropriate for the Greenfield neighborhood. The concepts presented in this survey are plausible general development patterns using preferred land use determined from the study area. Local road networks, for example, can be different in any future proposal, but proposed major connections shall be provided. We'll use the preferred land use plan to determine future growth of the neighborhood would impact both roads, traffic, utilities, and stormwater management. Community survey will be open now through August 11th. Survey is open to the whole community. Fitchburg Senior Center presents a Lunch and Learn series tomorrow, and it's going to be Fact TV presenting. Me. It's going to be fun. I hope you join me tomorrow, Wednesday, July 31st at noon at the Fitchburg Senior Center Dining Room. We love to see you out there. I'll be sharing information about Fitchburg Access Community Television, or Fact TV, and getting your feedback as well. So stop on by tomorrow, say hi, let me know you're watching, and more importantly, let's have fun talking about Fact TV. Turning our attention, it is definitely warm and going to be warm the next couple of days. A reminder here for you that hot car deaths are 100% preventable. And it starts with looking before you lock and leave your car. Never leave a child or pets or anyone in the car at any time of the year. But during these hot spells, it doesn't take much for a car to get really hot really quickly. And the temperatures today are in the upper 80s. So just after 10 minutes, you're looking at 99 degrees. And after 30 minutes, 114 degrees in the car. And we're into the upper 80s, so that could be almost 120 degrees in the car. Nevertheless, double check. The one that I've always found the most useful is put a bag in the back seat, something that you have to go and check the back seat just to make sure. And keep those doors locked at home, because kids do tend to play and can get inside a car and you wouldn't even know it, so be careful with that. And for Public Health, Madison-Dane County, reminding you that the respiratory dashboard is continuing to be updated, and we've seen a significant increase of COVID cases in the wastewater systems. Nevertheless, a couple of safety tips here for you real quick. Make sure that you do wash your hands, stay at home, and do what you can to